Hi everyone, welcome to the stream, and today I will continue building ScreenCraft, which is okay. I guess there is no lag, which is really great. So time to stream. So ScreenCraft is the tool that extracts X, Y, and Z coordinates from the screenshots, and it should put it into a database or a web app. So later, people like me can browse the database to find their favorite landmarks or build structures. I guess I should show where. I guess I should show the current demo, which is kind of messy. I don't think I committed the code from the previous. Yeah, I didn't commit code from the previous episode because it's really messy. I've actually haven't been considering making this a web app, not a desktop app, but we'll see. I haven't decided to rewrite it as a web app yet. Yeah. So the current demo. Package config OpenCV main CPP. I don't remember what was the key. I know. Let's look at it. Let's look at the examples. Okay. Let's just look at the code that's necessary to compile the OpenCV, which is C flags and libs, and I guess yeah, I've been considering. I've been considering this. I'm not sure if it's possible to extract the seed from the screenshot itself. It doesn't look like it's possible. I'm not sure if it's possible to somehow identify the world except by, I don't know, forcing user to somehow specify extra information. Let's actually take a look at the screenshots. Oh. Okay. Transover. I don't think that F3 outputs any identifying information. So it says Minecraft, FPS information, EBI. I don't know what this means. I don't think that it's formation. PT all doesn't look like world information. Multiplayer chunk cache. Again, I don't know what does this mean, but it certainly doesn't look like C. X, Y, and Z block. All of that coordinates. Chunk, again, some coordinates. Facing is just south, north, and west, etc. Biome, light, and local difficulty. and on the right there are only some system information, like your graphic card or version of Java. So yeah, it looks like it's impossible. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it's possible to output more information here. I don't know. It doesn't look like that. Actually, I think there is some interesting base that I was walking towards. I'm not sure though. Again, I will probably I probably should check it while not playing Minecraft. But the temptation is too hard. I at least want to see if I'm close to it. Yes, that's the base. Yes. Okay. I was so today I started playing Minecraft again because I wanted to test the program on the real screenshots. So I walked like a few miles toward this base, which isn't a main base. It's just some sort of horse farm, you know. So yeah, here it is. It's a multiplayer server. Oh, there are some wolves. Yeah, it's a multiplayer server. It's whitelisted. It's a private server where I play with my friends occasionally. I mean, I haven't played in like 3 months, but well, today I started playing it, and I guess I'm going to take a screenshot of those horses. Okay, I need a nice screenshot. Okay. Alright. Alright, done. So yeah, at least we have a real picture to test on. There are another base somewhere. I don't know, somewhere here. Not too far from this base. Anyway, okay, I guess it's time to stop playing Minecraft and start doing some actual work. Yeah, I'm going to sleep here just in case, and then quit Minecraft. Okay, disconnect, cancel, quit. Okay, so here's the demo. It's actually, I don't know. What was the arguments again? Input image name, output image name. Okay. This. Okay, PNG. I don't know. I don't remember the screenshot I was using last time for testing. Maybe it was this one. Oops. Process JPEG. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's certainly possible. So it does some character recognition. I don't know, the screenshot looks too large. I mean, I think I was doing some testing on a smaller screenshot. Let's see here. It doesn't play. Yeah. Okay. Let's open that directory, and okay, we need a small screenshot. Okay, this one is gigantic. Well, not gigantic, but just really big. And I think it was this one, probably from the previous year. Okay, let's do this. Let's just open the first screenshot. Okay, from the December. and let's just process PNG, and well, let's now dump everything to the file. Okay. And I guess we can already open it. Okay, so it says, so okay, here's the program. It can recognize certain characters. For example, it was able to recognize one, and it was able to recognize it correctly. So the first character is just a character itself, and the second one, the second thing is it's code, like ASCII code. So here is the 5, and it was a real 5. So works pretty well. Unfortunately, there are a lot of false positives because we haven't implemented any filtering out of non characters, and there are some occasional random white pixels. So we need to implement that. Another thing that's missing is resizing the images, like resizing the font, because Minecraft can change the font size based on the screen resolution, on the window resolution, on the window size, and well, we need to accommodate for the different font sizes. I don't think it would be difficult to implement, but we'll see. Again, we will probably code some really simple algorithm, like just iterate over all possible font sizes and just try to resize the image based on it. Yeah, so but first of all, let's work on character order, and let's work on filtering out the false positives. Okay, first of all, I guess it's the code is like really messy at this point. Okay. Okay, let's finish. Let's clean up this code. Like for debug purposes. What does this even mean? I don't really remember why I put it here. I guess this is no longer necessary. Okay, so I'll output something. Okay, I'll put something. Let's see, more than 32. Let's output it. Oops, I write a lot of code in Python apparently, so I keep putting colons after the ifs and else's. Okay. Let's just see how many false positives are there. Okay, a lot of characters are not recognized, or maybe they aren't characters. So we'll see. Okay. Okay. Let's see the dump3 file. Okay, let's open it as a read only. Honestly, I don't get it. Let's open the actual screenshot. Where is this? Okay, let's rerun it. Okay, so it should say something like MINECR, well, Minecraft. So let's see what's here. OCR care 1, OCR char 5, OCR char 2, and 15224. Okay, maybe we are iterating over the contours in the wrong order, like find contours, OpenCV order. Okay, it says that it's unsorted. Apparently someone else. Why not inject and read the memory directly? Well, first of all, to me, OCR in it is a more simple way. Secondly, it will work on any platform. Like if you make it a web app, it will make on any platform. You just upload a screenshot. As for reading memory directly, I'm pretty sure you can do this, but you probably can do using plugins. And well, personally, I play vanilla, so I don't incline to install any plugins. Although some people try to convert me into lots of plugins, into using lots of plugins. Why not clip the screen to the section containing each data component? I'm not sure what you mean. Ideally, I'd like not to force user to do extra work except taking a screenshot and maybe upload it. So that's why. So I wanted to make to work really simple, like not forcing you to install plugins and not force user to manually input the data. In principle, I could simply force user to input all the characters manually, but it didn't sound like fun, so that's why the app uses OpenCV. You could search for a known string, but you still need to recognize characters. Like you at least know you should recognize actual coordinates like X, Y, and Z, and they are always different. So you at least need to recognize all digits properly. Sure, but once you match the string, you know the window size and scale. Oh, okay, that's actually a good idea. I guess I will implement the really simple algorithm first, and then I agree. It's probably a good idea to speed it up by searching, for example, for X, Y, Z, or for Minecraft string, and calculating font size based on known string. So stackoverflow.com questions. Let's see. During template matching. Okay, so you suggest that suggest using this to figure out to match the known string. That's actually pretty useful. The actual images are fairly simple, like I can show you. So okay, let's open it. So here's the original screenshot, and the program transforms it into this. So all the text is fairly readable, and I think that matching shouldn't be all this hard. Although I don't know. Thanks for the link. I'll definitely look into it. Right now, I just want to filter out all the false positives, because I'm pretty sure that we will need to filter out false positives because sometimes there is snow, and snow is pretty white, and it gets transformed into, well, this. Still pretty readable. You can still see the bounding boxes of all the characters. So look, if you look closer, you can see that there are black boundaries, and well, it's not bad. Still, it's necessary to filter out the false positives. But I like the idea of like matching a known string and figuring out the font size this way. I'll take another look at the link after the stream. Oops. So right now I need to figure out how to sort contours. Okay, let's write some more dirty code. So contours, let's sort them. Actually, yeah, let's sort them from begin to end, and let's use lambda here. I'm not very experienced with C++ 11, so don't expect me to write lambda. Don't expect me to write perfect lambda from the first try. Okay, include algorithm, and let's go back and write lambda. Actually, I don't even remember the lambda syntax. That sucks. Yeah, I'm totally not experienced in C++ 11. Okay, so it's like this. It's like back for y. Okay, I guess someone wrote a contour sorter, and I guess I will probably copy and paste it. This is to do. Actually, I don't know why it's written this way. We could probably compare. We can just simply return this. We can compare x coordinates, right? Okay, and if they are equal, we can compare y coordinates. Oh man, I haven't written C++ in like several months, so I don't remember the operator precedence. I know how to properly place parentheses. I think there are. Yeah, I was writing so much Python, so I keep using and here. Yeah, I know that in C++ you can write and instead of 2 ampersands, and it will compile perfectly. But I guess I will write idiomatic C++. I haven't actually seen anyone using and, and as A and D in C++. So I will avoid using it. No idea why the original poster wrote comparator in a strange way. Okay, so oops, it should be or. Okay, and so I guess it's possible to sort using hierarchy. Is it really necessary? I don't know. Contour sorter. Okay, let's see. Dump 3 MXBCFBL L. That's weird. We should probably sort in a different order. First by Y coordinate and then by X coordinate. Did I accidentally wrote end somewhere? Like, now I'm curious if I wrote. Yeah, I wrote it here. Let's write idiomatic C++. And one okay, isn't the sorting order correct? I'm like still not sure. Okay, it says one. Okay, so it wasn't able to recognize vanilla. So, okay, the order is fine. It's just that OCR doesn't work very well. Not sure why though. Okay, but it's able to recognize simple digits, like it was able to recognize 1, and it was able to recognize parentheses, and it was able to recognize 1, 8, 1, and slash, then closing parentheses. So it was able to recognize J in Java, but not A, V, or A. And it was able to recognize the version like 1.6.0, 65, 64 bit, but it wasn't able to recognize I, unfortunately. And actually, I suspect that it's possible to too much garbage in the background. Actually, I think that there isn't too much garbage. Okay, let me show you. Find contours where it's so it's just having. I think that the okay. I still want to show you how it. Let's substitute this with a processed image. So it takes a source image, draws contours on it, and shows it to us. But let's replace source image with processed image to see how processed image looks like. So okay, where is it? Okay, here's how it looks like. It wasn't. I mean, these contours aren't colored. So yeah, it kind of looks like crap. But processed image looks really great. There are a lot of contours that doesn't look great. because they aren't colorful. I wonder how. I'm curious how to convert grayscale to RGB. Okay, convert color. Let's just convert color from processed image to drawing using gray to RGB, so it won't look like crap. Okay, it still looks like crap, but now with colors. Anyways, as you can see, it's not bad. Although I'm not sure if M was correctly recognized. So are the boxes around the characters OpenCV highlights? Not really. I mean, sort of. So the code looks like this. First, it uses OpenCV function to find contours. Actually, I could probably show you how contours look like, but contours are. I don't know. Probably there are pictures. So contours look like this, or like this. So it's just like a shape of the object. So it sort of finds contours, then it sorts them. There is some stuff here. Actually, let's remove this. Contour size. So then it takes, calls some function, then it gets, then it converts those contours into boundary boxes. Bounding boxes, and then it draws these bounding boxes. So it's sort of like OpenCV feature, but it's sort of like a combination of 3 different OpenCV features. So not exactly OpenCV, not exactly a single OpenCV feature. Okay, something is going on in IRC. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I sort of liked when drawing looked like when drawing was an original picture. Actually, okay. Okay, so as for the character recognition, can I train it? Probably I can. So right now I'm trying to figure out what's the simplest way to improve the OCR quality. And actually I have a couple of ideas. For example, I know that all characters in screenshot have ASCII code 32 or higher. So for example, So is there a Minecraft font? Okay, so here is how Minecraft font looks like. There are a lot of weird characters in the first 2 rows. So the first 23 characters, sorry, the first 32 characters are, well, some weirdness that isn't present in the real screenshots. So you can safely filter it out. So let's start from 33 probably. Yeah, let's start from 33. Maybe 32. I don't know. Let's start from 32. Let's launch it again. Let's see. So well, exclamation mark F T. Okay, I think it's a bit better, but not significantly better. For example, R wasn't recognized. Okay, let's actually so okay, let's not print character wasn't recognized. Let's just print RC and well, nothing. Let's just see how well does it work. Actually, let's remove this new line printing as well. Let's just have one big long string of all recognized characters. We're getting too late. Okay. Oh, I guess we need to exit. Okay, I don't think it's exactly. I don't think it's correctly recognized. Let's launch it again. Let's see if at least coordinates are correctly recognized. You can clearly see X, Y, and Z here. Okay, bye. See you later. Hope I hope to see you again. Clearly, there is some problem. So X, Y, and Z is 3, 3, 8, 4, 2, 6. And it wasn't able to recognize comma, which is very unfortunate. It was able to recognize all the characters properly. But it's still necessary to work on the recognizing boundaries between words and improving comma recognition. So let's focus on figuring out why it isn't able to recognize Minecraft properly. Like it shouldn't be hard. I mean, okay, I and exclamation mark can be fairly confusing. Whereas I think that letters like C should look fairly straightforward. Again, why it wasn't able? Okay, it recognizes I as exclamation mark. It recognized it incorrectly, but why it doesn't recognize CRA at all, like and M? Okay, let's see why. Okay, let's add C out here again. Well, I guess let's print character. Okay, let's see. Well, okay, it recognizes it as some crap. Like M is clearly okay. Mine. Okay, this should be N. Or this should be F. I'm not sure. So it recognizes F as F and it recognizes M as M, but doesn't print anything for I. This is strange. Let's print rows and columns. To see where is the problem. like it's clear. We can clearly see the image. We can clearly see N, E, C, R and their boundary boxes. For some reason, they're somewhere else. Okay, char, and this char is M. Char, and this char is like 1 or okay, char, and okay, maybe it sorted it incorrectly. Okay, I think I figured it out. It probably. Okay, I think I figured the problem. So it sorts characters by y coordinate, and M, F, and T have higher coordinate than N, E, C, or R. So all letters in between M, F, and T have smaller y coordinates, which kind of sucks. I guess it's possible to sort by not by top left corner, but by bottom left corner. I think bottom left corner should work. Not sure though. Okay, let's try let's try sorting by bottom left corner. Okay. Top left corner, bottom right corner. Oh yeah, let's sort by bottom right corner because there is already a method for calculating bottom right corner. Okay, hopefully they have comparison operators defined. So I guess they don't. How do we get x and y coordinates from a point? Okay, x and y. Y less than rubber y. Okay, I keep writing Python. I'm not sure if this works as intended. Clearly it doesn't. I guess this is this is where we need to get so I guess we need to detect the actual rectangles where the it looks like we actually need to detect the lines of text, not just individual characters, but the actual lines, which is doesn't sound like much fun. Okay, I'm going to take a short break and we'll return in like 5 minutes. Um, Okay. Hi, I'm back. I sort of have no idea how to. I mean, I thought about this problem with detecting lines, and even though I have a couple of ideas, like trying to maybe uh, I don't know. I thought that maybe it's possible to kinda detect the line. Um, Detect words and lines by applying dilation and I know there are two operations called one called dilate and the second one is called erode, and I actually forgot how it's called. Anyway, so it's pretty cool. So dilate sort of blurs the image, and erode is sort of sharpens it. And with text, I think it may be possible to. I wonder if it's possible to dilate horizontally. Rectangular box, cross, ellipse. Okay, so I know it's 2 a.m. here, so I guess I will end the stream within 5 minutes. But if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know. I will be happy to, well, not end the stream if there are some discussions, but I feel like I won't be able to write some code today, so yeah, I will continue tomorrow. Definitely will continue tomorrow after I wake up, and yeah, so I kind of would like to talk about how it's possible to detect. I'm a noob in computer vision, so don't be surprised that I have some noobish ideas. And I think it's possible to detect those lines by detecting, applying dilation and erosion. I also think it's possible to detect sort of, I don't know, I think it's possible to simply detect a line of black pixels, maybe. Or maybe it's possible to, take the first character in each line, like take all the characters, sort them by coordinate, basically by y and x. So the first character in each line, I think it should be easy to obtain all the first characters, and then distribute each character into a line based on the bounding box, based on y coordinates of a bounding box. So, for example, if some character kind of fits into the first line, like let's put it into the first line, and I hope this makes sense. I'm kind of tired today. Or, not today. I'm kind of tired already because it's 2 a.m. Time to sleep. Anyway, thanks for... What's really cool is here you can see it detected the 42, 25, and 13 detected bounding boxes, which is kind of cool. These numbers are useless, but that was pretty cool, I think. So tomorrow we are going to redistribute, to detect words and lines based on bounding box coordinates. I'm okay. Thanks. I'm glad that you like watching it, because I don't know. I kind of worry that it's boring to watch me struggling because I'm a noob in computer vision. Well, not entirely complete noob, but I'm in a way. I'm like a noob with some very very basic knowledge. I'm a bit better in machine learning, but this project is entirely computer vision. So yeah, anyway, it's cool that you like the. Okay, that's cool. I sort of agree. I know. When I watch streams, I mostly like to help people, and when I see someone streaming C++, I'm always happy because I can go and help people. In a way, I agree that it helps solve the problem, but I mostly like to help. Anyway, I'm glad that you like watching my streams. See you tomorrow. I think I will. I know it's kind of long project. It will probably take at least a couple of weeks, maybe at least a week, depending on how often. Depending on how often I'm going to stream, and I don't know how often. I think I will stream at least like 2 or 3 times per week. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I will probably put this video on YouTube tomorrow or today, and bye. By the way, you can always catch me on IRC, like watch people code on its net. Maybe you are already there, but I can't. It's somewhat difficult to keep track of all the nicknames. I definitely saw you here before, but I'm not sure if you are on IFC. Anyway, if you have like questions or if you would like to discuss something with me or other people, let's just go on this channel. And well, so bye.